Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the iPad off and removing any SIM or external trays so nothing shifts during repair. Once done, secure the device on a flat, ESD-safe mat, wear nitrile gloves to avoid oils. Heat the screen perimeter gently with a hot air station or hair dryer to soften adhesive. Aim for consistent warmth, not overheating. Use a suction cup and plastic picks to lift an edge slowly. Make sure to keep track of screws and parts in labeled containers as you open the enclosure. Once you have an opening, continue by widening the gap gradually with thin picks, avoiding metal tools near the LCD. You must disconnect the battery cable immediately to prevent shorts. Unplug it with a plastic spudger. Carefully peel back the digitizer and display cables, noting their routing and any torn tape. Inspect the board for lifted components, liquid residue, or corrosion under connectors. Take macro photos for reference. If a cable is fractured or a connector is damaged, plan the specific part replacement before proceeding. You reassemble by reinstalling replacement parts or reseating damaged connectors, aligning flex cables exactly and securing them with original tape or fresh adhesive strips. Replace the screen gasket or adhesive, then reconnect the battery as the final internal step. This reduces risk of accidental shorting. Power on the iPad and run display, touch, camera, and charging tests. If symptoms remain, try cleaning corrosion points with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Otherwise, stop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.